This is another simple fried fish recipe that will bring so much joy to your family. Fried mackerel fish or ikan tenggiri with chili paste. This recipe is for 4 to 5 servings. The ingredients needed are 550 grams of mackerel fish or ikan tenggiri slices, 2 tablespoons of fish curry powder, half tablespoon of salt, 350 grams of chili paste. The recipe links is in the description box. 5 to 6 stems of curry leaves and oil for deep frying. Let's cook. Start with preparing the oil for deep frying. Switch on the heat to medium. Add in 750 grams of cooking oil. Wait for the oil to heat up. This will take around 8 to 10 minutes. Meanwhile, marinate the fish. Put in all the chili paste in a bigger plate. Add in the salt and all the curry powder. Mix until well combined. It may be difficult to mix with a spoon, so clean hand can be used as well. However, if your hands are not seasoned with chili, please avoid contact with it as it can cause skin irritation. Alright, the chili mixture is ready. Next, put a generous amount of chili paste to coat the fish. Flip the fish to another side and repeat. Alright, the fish slices have been marinated. Let's go and fry it. By the time we finish marinating the fish, the oil is very hot and ready for deep frying. Carefully put in the fish. Allow it to cook for 5 minutes. It is okay if there are some chili clumps detaching from the fish. After 5 minutes, the bottom of the fish is cooked. Let's flip it. Oh wow, it looks so yummy. The chili on the fish is slightly darkened as it gets direct heat from the bottom of the pan. This is okay and it is really nice to eat. Alright, allow 3 more minutes to cook for this side. Meanwhile, use the spatula to scrape the chili from the top of the fish to evenly cook the chili. Flip it again to fry the fish from this side for another 30 seconds. And we are done. Remove the fish out of the oil and place it on the cooling rack. Use a small strainer to scoop out all the chili clumps from the oil and rest it on the fish. We don't want the chili lump to drop to the bottom of the plate and absorb the oil there. Alright, all the chili removed out from the oil. Next, frying the curry leaves. Switch off the heat as curry leaves tend to burn very quickly. Add in all of the curry leaves. Give it a stir for about 15 to 20 seconds or until there is no more sizzling sound. Remove all the curry leaves from the oil and put it aside. Alright, now we can dish out and serve. Place the fried fish on the serving plate. Sprinkle the fried chili and the fried curry leaves on the fish and on the side. Alright, the delicious and lovely deep fried mackerel fish with chili paste is ready. This is best served immediately while it is hot. Having the delicious fried fish and a sprinkling of the fried chili paste will go very well with rice. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somchik. Thank you and bye-bye.